Today I want to start with the Joi Choi. Remember we planted the seeds a few weeks ago, and I want to show you what's happening here. And this is the Joi Choi now. I believe we're about 2 weeks in. And what I want to do is go ahead and transplant that, and I'm going to put it in these little 4-packs. And the reason that I want to do that is the area that I want to plant in mostly gets watered, but it's a little on the dry side. It's in the blocks, and it's also on the far side of where we water and stuff. So I'm going to help these plants out a little bit by getting their root systems just a little bigger. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull these out, and just like our lettuce, we want to pull these apart this way. As you can see, we're getting a pretty good root system. But if I get these in the 4-pack, then that will make a root ball, and it'll give us 1 more week before we have to pull out the old Joi Choi, because I do want to plant some of this over there. So I'm just going to poke these in here. Actually, they may even stay in these trays, in these 4-packs for 2 weeks, and let that root system get really big. So this is a great way if you don't have quite enough garden space. You're getting your second crop ready to go in, or your third or your fourth, depending on your season and where you live. This is just a great way to get a little more time out of your garden and be able to crop a little faster. So I'm going to plant these in here, and then I will water these. These will actually go back to the greenhouse. They could live out here now. I could put them on the floor next to the garden, but for me it's just a little easier to put them back in the greenhouse. And yeah, this will be a nice crop for us. Alright, so this tray holds 48 plants, so that is going to give us plenty. I have another greenhouse that needs a few replacement plants, so any excess I'll be able to use over there. So we'll water those in good because we just transplanted them. Then I'm going to set them down in the shade, and we'll see these guys next week or the week after, and then we'll start plugging them into the garden, and that'll feed us all fall. It'll be fantastic. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.